Hello guys, so I just received my dome for my EKEN H9R from Telesin. Sounds pretty good. It's especially for EKEN, as you can see, especially for H9. So let me tell you more about that. Let me open the box and show you exactly what you have inside. Alright, so step by step, you have the dome, you have that floating tube, you have this, and you have a special key like this. Something else. Alright, you have that. Alright, so you have this inside the box, except my camera. You have paper, I don't know. Now, for up. Alright, nothing else inside. Alright, so as you can see, the dome is especially for EKEN H9R. So let me try to put it inside and show you. It fits perfectly good. This is a dome with a lens inside. It's perfect. Alright, so you have a special bottom at the top, as you can see, but before you must open the camera. I mean, put it on. Alright, so the camera is now inside. And now let me start the video. Like I said, you have a special button just over here. Let me see if it works. Yep, perfect. So as you can see, it's especially for EKEN H9R. So I'm very happy for that. It cost something like 27 euros on AliExpress. Sounds good. I didn't try it yet inside water, so I'm gonna try to do it and tell you more about that. I'll show you how to open it. You just have to open here, and you have your camera here inside. And as you can see here, you have the line. When you are inside the water, it's gonna be easier for you to make great pictures and videos. And just one more thing, I didn't see it before. It's to put it inside the dome. So I mean, not really the dome, but inside the camera here. Alright, so step by step, you have the dome, you have the floating tube, you have that to clean the camera, you have this to put it inside the camera area, you have the key, and you have this just to get it next to you. And you have user manual, just in Japanese, I guess, and English. Let me show you. Alright. Alright guys. So next step, I will put it inside the water and tell you more.